day 5 of our trip and we decided to stay on Paros for another day. It was pretty windy and tomorrow was going to be much better for our sail to Mykonos. So we hired a car and explored the island. Our first stop was the small village of Lefkas. We walked through the narrow alleyways of this beautiful little town before having a most delicious iced coffee. We visited the church of Yacht Triada, which is dedicated to the Holy Trinity and was completed around 1835. Back in the car and followed the coast heading towards Noasa. En route we stopped at Petros Beach. We got to the picturesque fishing village of Noasa. This place was just beautiful. It was great seeing all the fishing boats and the fishermen drying out their freshly caught octopus and mackerel in the warm sun before being put on the grill. We stopped for lunch in a lovely Greek taverna and then afterwards we found some yummy ice cream. We headed back to the boat and en route stopped for some fresh provisions at a market. Tonight we had another lovely sunset before heading to bed early as we were setting the alarm for 5:30 to get to Mykonos.